When using one of LogTag's 3-pin loggers with display, users are able to gain information about their logging status by viewing the LCD display on the logger. During logging, the display will provide the user with information such as the current temperature and any alarm excursions. The Start Clear Stop button is used to start and stop the logger, clear an alarm, or exit the statistical review. The Review Mark button is used to enter the statistical review and scroll through the statistical data on the display. It can also be used to place an inspection mark within the data. If starting and DTST displays, the logger has been pre-configured for a specific date and time start. If the logger is pre-configured for a push-button start with a start delay, press and hold the Start Clear Stop button until starting delay displays on the screen, along with the delay time. Finally, if the logger is pre-configured to start when the Start Clear Stop button is pressed, Ready will display on the screen, along with the current time from the configured time zone. Press and hold the Start Clear Stop button until starting appears. Let go when Ready disappears. Once logging has successfully begun, the temperature from the latest reading taken will display on the screen, along with a tick mark to show there has been no alarm excursions. If the temperature is over the upper alarm threshold, to the right of the screen an arrow will appear pointing up. If the temperature is below the lower alarm threshold, an arrow will appear pointing down. If an alarm event occurs, a cross symbol will display in the top left corner of the screen. To the right of the screen an arrow will appear indicating whether an upper or lower alarm has been triggered. Once the logger has been logging for several days, the days where alarm excursions occurred will display at the bottom of the screen. Press the Review Mark button to enter the statistical review. The maximum statistic will display first. Press the Review Mark button to view the minimum statistic. Continue to press the Review Mark button to work through the days where an alarm excursion occurred. Press the Start Clear Stop button to exit the statistical review. If the logger is configured to stop when the Start Clear Stop button is pressed, press and hold the Start Clear Stop button until stop displays on the screen and recording disappears. Once the logger has stopped recording, the latest temperature taken will disappear.